How to change video speed in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and select the clip you want to change speed for in the timeline. Next, right-click on the clip and choose Change Speed from the context menu. In the dialog box that appears, you will see options to adjust the speed percentage. Enter a value greater than 100% to speed up the video or less than 100% to slow it down. You can also check the option to pitch compensation if you want to keep the audio pitch natural while changing the speed. After adjusting the video, click OK to apply the changes. Play back your video to see the effect and make further adjustments if necessary. And that's it. Now you know how to change video speed in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.